connect tayo sa Orbion Telegram. Yung account natin dyan ay pwedeng i-connect sa Telegram para makita yung transaction dun na ginagawa ni Orbion. Ayan o, nakita nyo. Dito sa aking account, ayan ang total investment ko 25,000. Current value 26 na siya. Active bots. Okay. So may mga trading na siya. Ayan. Latest trade. Ayan, Orbion bot. Ayan, Orbion bot live trade executive. So nakita nyo, may trade details siya. At mabe-verify natin. Ayan, tingnan natin sa Etherscan. Yan. So, transparent. Kita niya. May trading na nangyayari talaga. Kaya yung pinakikita ni CEO na doon sa cellphone niya, sa Binance account, yan. Kasama yan doon sa report.
Okay. This is my own account on our website. And I'm assuming na lahat naman po kayo meron na nito. So this is the dashboard. Check lang po natin yung aking mga books na in. No? So as of this time, wala pa po akong deposits or withdrawals na ginawa. But it's just for the benefit of everyone to see kung ano na pong status ng aking mga bond. So I'll go to my bonds. Okay, so since I have deposited 10,000, 30, ano na mga 1 week na, no? 7 days ago. So you can see my total profit. It's already 1,400 as of this time. 1 week. Okay? With a 2% daily interest or 2% daily income for the amount that I have invested on. And meron din po akong 100 here. Yung unang-una natin na 14 pesos na siya as a full stack. So this is just to reiterate to each and every one. You can see the difference on depositing a large amount versus 100. No? As of this time, gusto ko lang din po i-highlight sa inyo guys na we have a minimum deposit of 500 na for our bots. No? This is not for us, like I mentioned on my previous webinar, but this is for everyone's benefit. People would ask, bakit ano lang kinikita ko? Walang kinikita niyo, bakit ang baba pa lang? We know it would only pick it with the amount that you have invested. So, like I've said, while everything is here, habang dito po lahat ng mga bagay nito, please try to take advantage of them. And I would want you to have the best of what you can get out of Orbion. So we have designed this daily profit for you to get as much as you can. So kung deposit lang po kayo ng 100, of course, we can expect na maliit lang po natin for the bond. That's why we have decided to increase it to 500. Apart from the fact na, yes, I'm not active traditional cost. But then again, pinaka-benefit po is not us, but you guys. Okay, so if you have the extra, if you can, please try to increase your deposits. And again, kasi we are still receiving requests for about 100, 200, and for their bots. If you can, please we are encouraging each and everyone the minimum amount of deposit to be funded. It's the same amount for withdrawals. Kahit kung deposit mo kayo ng 100 dyan, it would be useless unless you reach the amount of 500 for your request for withdrawal. Okay? So yun po, gusto namin i-reiterate kasi we are still receiving a lot of 100 deposits. So this is just to let you know that we are now accepting 500 as the minimum amount for deposits for your deposits. Okay? So yun lang po yung akin, and I would like to advise you as well that if you can also directly use CoinsMH for your transfers. So again, it would still be depending on if you would want to use your e-wallets, bank accounts, it would still be good. But kung kaya niyo po mag-register for PH, reason why we are requesting this is because, like I mentioned in my previous webinars, we have 10 million limit a day for deposits sa PH, which is really, really good versus those mga e-wallets na may maximum, di ba? May maximum amount tayo per month. Tapos pag na-reach, hindi na siya pwedeng depositohan. Same goes with the bank. Though we don't have a specific amount of deposits, there are certain cases na nasa-flat tayo ng banko dahil also, gusto siya kahit bank account naman yun, tapos yun ka ba ng dami na inalakas, di ba? So that's what we are trying to avoid. So if you can, you will register for coins.ph account. Please do try to do so kasi it's much convenient for each and every one of us. Diretso na po kasi kami sa pag-check when the money is directly deposited coins.ph. But then again, it would still be something. Kaya hindi naman po napakailangan figure na gamitin yung ibang modes of payment. It's just that we are requesting it. Okay? So, ayan. Again, another thing that I want to highlight now is this or referral rewards program that we have for you guys. Like I've said, since hindi ko namin reach lahat man kayo po na may kakayanan na mag-invite ng inyong friends, family, or anyone that would like to be part of Orion's success, you can always invite them because everyone is welcome. Like I've said, no? All you have to do is use your referral codes here. No, copy lang. Pag tinig mo siya, copy na automatic. Same with the referral link, and this buttons would serve as the same use. Okay, so I would like to reiterate to you guys that if you have shared your referral code and they have signed up with Orbion, again, minimum natin 500 na. So wala na, magwa-100 if you can, please. 500 is the minimum amount for our investment required. Okay, and again, you will earn 1% daily commission for each active points of your referrals. So if you have, say for example, you refer ka ng 5 friends, tapos each of them have 5 active points na pinili. Imagine how much you can get as much as what? Say for example, yung friend mo nag-invest na. Ito may example calculation na para lang alam na magkano pwede kitain on the referral alone. Okay? So if your friend have invested 10,000, syempre daily profit niya 200, 2% of the amount na invest niya. But your daily commission is 1%, 100 of what your friend or the bot of your friend na binili niya for the body. So imagine yung dami na pwedeng yung i-take advantage yung Orbion. We might not have the unilevel, no, but this is way better than that because again, we are offering the daily commission. Okay? And the good thing about this is wala tayong locking period. Like I've said, you have the power for your money. It's just that we are encouraging each and every one of you to be consistent para po matutulungan kayo to sa Orbion. If I may just share some thoughts in a bit, okay? I'll let you know. But again, please take advantage of this because we are every now and then, like I've said, we are trying to do research and development for our system, for Orbion itself. And we want to gain the best experience as well as get everything that you can, get everything that you deserve with Orbion. So as much as possible, while we still have this rewards program, please try to take advantage of that. Okay? So ayan po. What else can I discuss with you? So again, I would just like to inform you guys about our sniping bot. For those people na kayo lang naka-join sa amin and were not present during the times that I was doing my webinar for the past 2 days, So, paano nga ba po nakikita si Orion or the sniping bots that we have or offer here? Okay. Like I have said before, that's just like the same concept of law and supply and demand. So once the sniping bots, so 24/7 siyang active, right? And 24/7 siya nag-i-scan ng blockchains. So once nagkaroon ng available token na nagkaroon ng liquidity or value, the bot would automatically snipe it for us. It's not manual. So there are a lot of people who are doing trades, not just here in the Philippines, but worldwide. Alam niyo na yan. Marami nang gumagawa yan. And what's the power of a manual or a human intervention versus a bot? Diba? You just really select the bot can do it for us. And 24/7, hindi siya nagpapahinga ng bot versus human, kailangan magpahinga. Right? So once nakakita siya ng opportunity and nakita niya ng token na meron ng bot, he will snipe it. So, ang tendency niyan is kapag ang isang bagay ay in demand, right? What would happen in the market? Siyempre, tataas yung value niya. Same lang yan yung concept na, halimbawa, isang mga artista, tapos, Italian ka sa hanggang demand artist. Diba? What would you do? Kasi kabilat-kabila ang kumukuha sa iyo perform. Anong gagawin mo? Ako bilang artist, tataas ko yung presyo ko. Diba? I would take that opportunity na nasa presyo. Excuse me, hindi pwede lahat nakaka-afford sa akin. So, ganun yung concept niya. So, once yung specific token na yun, tumaas yung presyo, and a lot of people would want to take advantage of that specific token, syempre tataas yung presyo. And that's the time that the bot would dump or would sell that specific token because profitable na siya on our side. Okay? So, it's just the same concept. So, law of supply and demand, pag maraming supply, mababa syempre ang presyo. But, pagka konti lang supply, taas ang demand, of course, mataas ang presyo. It's the same concept, guys. Okay? So, I know a lot of people na sa inyo trabaho, siguro may mga side hustles and everything. But then again, like what I've said before, the life here in the Philippines is not hindi lang sa Pilipinas. Maraming bansa na experience ng hirap sa buhay. And even where we are working, I know sapat for lunch and everyone's needs. Or pa sapat makatipon para bahay, sasakyan, or negosyo, right? So what we want here in is we want your money to work for you, no? Even while you're sleeping, kumikita ka. Gaya nga ng sinabi nila, hindi mo kailangan malaman lahat ng bagay. If you have the capacity, you just have to hire the right people to do it for you. That's what we are doing here in Corporate. That's why we are here, right? You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is have an open mind, right? And the right mindset, of course. We have to be always positive, always on a higher frequency, always manifesting on what good things are. Because negativity doesn't have any room here in our front. Okay? Saying yes, that there would still be risk, like I mentioned. But then again, 80% success rate for trades that we have. Diba? Malaking bagay na yun versus susugal mo yung pera for 50-50 chance. And since we have launched our was I haven't had any issues in terms of loss. This is me swearing to my na totoo lahat sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. If I may just share an example with you, no? There was a certain movie that I was able to watch. Pero ano lang siya, parang clip lang siya ng movie na yun. This person came from a very poor family na walang pampagamot, ng magulang na may sakit, hindi makapag-aral. And yung mga kasabayan niya, same age as what he is. Masarap ang buhay. Siya nagtatrabaho to pay for his school, to pay for whatever he needs in life. Pero ang issues siyang kahit na dinidiscourage na tatay niya, hindi siya yayaman. Nagmakasakali siya, lipat siya ng lugar, trabaho siya, and pag-usap siya sa mga tamang tao. ask people randomly na makita niya yung mayaman. Paano ba yumaman? Paano ka yumaman na ganyan? So, kung ano yung ginagawa nila, ginagaya yun. No? And then one day, naka-encounter siya ng isang tao na magaling sa business. And na-introduce sa kanya yung oil. During that time, parang hindi pa masyadong explore yung oil industry. So, yun yung target niya. Nag-ipon siya, lahat ng ipon niya, binili niya ng machine to drill holes para maghanap ng oil. But years passed, 30 years, napabayaan niya na yung sarili niyang pamilya. Wala siyang nakukuha. Drill lang siya ng drill. Now, he realized one thing. Meron siyang nakita or meron nakarealize sa kanya yung anak niya during the time na naglalaro sila ng baseball na meron palang bagay na kailangan niyong malaman. Kung hindi ka magaling sa bagay na yon, you have to hire people who are good in it. Kung meron kang pera, i-hire mo yung tao, alam mo kung ano yung gagawin. So, dun pa lang, nagkaroon na siya ng idea. Instead of drilling and drilling and drilling, magbubutas ka ng magbubutas, wala ka napapala. Ginawa niya, nag-buy in expert sa oil na naghahanap ng oil. Lahat inaaral. So, yung certain areas, yung survey, tinitignan yung mga waves sa ilalim ng lupa. Yung mga ganong scenario. After couple of months, he was successful. He came home one day, sobrang punong-puno siya ng langis sa katawan niya. Sobrang saya niya kasi na-achieve niya yung dream niya. And nakuha niya yung dream life niya because of it, kasi hindi siya bumitaw. So you see what like I've said, in life, hindi naman talaga madali lahat ng bata. But then again, if you have that certainty, you have to do the best that you can. So sa kanya, sa side niya, gaya na sinabi ko, hindi niya alam lahat ng bagay, but he hired the right person to do it for. So nagpuma. It's just the same concept as what you have here with content. May not know everything about you. May not know everything about what sniping wants to do. It's all technical. Kahit po, may mga bagay na hindi ako alam. But then again, if you have the needs, kung merong nag-o-offer sa rin ng certain needs para mapadali ang buhay, why not? Diba? Kaya natin muntuhin tayo ng mga nakaraan. Tapos pagsisisihan lang natin kasi hindi natin kinap yung opportunity na yun na kumakatok sa atin. Right? So it's just the same. So while we have everything working out for each and every member staff here, we want you to take advantage of it. Ano ba yung 500? Right? Yeah, everything starts small. Pero if you have the means, no, lalakihan, if you have the means to do so, and anyway, you need what you saw. Nakikita nyo naman siya every day. Like what I've shown you earlier, you can see for yourself. Yung inyong daily profits. No? Everything is visible here. Everything is legitimate. Lahat ng ating transactions are available in our scan. Like I've shown before to some of those who have attended our these webinars. Nakikita nyo siya. No? We just want you to have an open mind and have the right mindset like what we have here. Kasi hindi naman talaga lahat ng bagay ay darating sa inyo. Lagi. You just have to, ano ba to? Ano ba yung kasabihan na yan? Strike while the iron is hot nga. Diba? Habang ganito, take advantage of it. Right? So, ayun yung akin. Meron pa mga tao dun sa previous webinar ko na pinakita screen ko. Let me just stop sharing, guys. So I'll just go back here. There are certain people who were present webinar ko last time. Pinakita account ko, finance. Not sure if you are all here. But again, this is a personal matter that I would want to share to each and every one of you. But this is not to brag or to diba? Para ipagyabang. But this is just to serve as an inspiration that everything is possible. Way back 2020, I have nothing. I have nothing until such time that I have opened my mind and heart to certain things na kailangan ko na take the risk. No? There was once an instance where an opportunity knocked on my door, which hindi ko talaga siya need. And up until now, nanghihinayang. But then again, siguro, may ibang plano ang Diyos para sa akin. No? And I'm thankful that during that time, or during, after that time, nagkaroon ako ng second option. And that's the reason why I'm here in front of you guys to let you know, no, na habang nandyan pa, take advantage of it. So let me just show you my screen. This is my webinar. I'm sorry, my Binance account. Sorry. Here you go. Last time, dun sa mga nakita ng account ko, wallet ko, if my memory serves me right, it's around 106. As of this time, I'll show it to you and then let me know if you can see my screen. Here you go. Here is my Binance account as of the moment. And you can see the peso value that I have. No, I don't believe in leaving the money on the bank because alam niyo naman ginagamit lang nila yan for pagpapautang sa ibang bank account holders, right? Oh, yeah, Sir Christian, you were present last time. We were at 106, right? After a few days, yes, we are up by 3 million something. This is not me doing everything. It's the sniper bot. I don't have the time to do the trading and everything. Yes, 106 Sir Christian. But as of this time, it's already 109. This cannot be faked. This is a real Binance account. I'm showing this to you guys so that you would know that everything is possible. Nasa sa inyo na lang yan kung paano nyo siya i-hitting. Yung opportunity na binibigay sa inyo. Ayoko kasi dumating yung panahon na manghihinayang kayo sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi nyo tinik or hindi nyo accept. Sayang talaga opportunity. And I'll show you the history here. Let me just refresh my history. Okay. So, ayan siya. Continuous na nag-work sa bot na as I've said. Pero kasi kaya yan lumaki ng ganyan. Of course, hindi ako nagsisettle sa mga 500 deposits lang. No? We invest high amounts to claim high rewards as well. Like I've said, it's always about consistency. Like if you have the spare money, instead of putting it in the bank, guys, hindi talaga kayo kikita ng ganito. Sa bangko, yung 2% yung daily, that would be annual sa mga bangko. So natutulog lang siya. Tutulog lang po yung pera if you hold it in the bank. That's why I'm encouraging each and everyone to if we want to reach as much for us, to invite other people to join us, sensors, no? Para naman po, hindi lang tayo yung nakaka-experience ng ganito. Yes, Ma'am Sab. Thank you. Yes, malaki na po talaga yung balance. But then again, like I've said, we are continuously doing some research and development. So we would want to use some of the funds for other investments so that we can offer you more. Kasi in Orbion, we don't want to stop from there. Hindi tayo mag-i-stop dito, guys. We would want to venture into more kinds of investments that we can offer to people as well once we have proof that, yeah, we are at 80% or more successful. That's our number. Okay. And I would like to share some things as well here. Each and every one of you, members na ng ating community, gusto ko lang i-highlight yung aming mga payouts. Guys, show ko lang yung screen ko ulit. Just give me a moment and I'll open my screen again. Huh? Let me show you my screen. Maabot ang ganyan kalaki. Okay. Well, sir, wala naman po imposible, no? But then again, that's the reason why Orbion is here to help you reach that goal in life. Hindi man ganun kabigla, at least meron magbabago sa current situation, right? Hindi tayo stagnant. That's what we are aiming for. Kumikita ka kahit papaano. So again, it's up to you as to how much you would want. Yes, like I said, if you want greater rewards, you have the right mindset. You have to start investing more than what you think you can. Ganun kasi yung mindset ko kasi nung dati, talagang pinangutang ko pa siya para lang makapagsimula ako. Marami naman ganun, di ba, sa business, yung nangungutang or naglo-loan para lang maabot ng certain situation in their life. Kasi pagod muna tayo. Pagod na tayo maging empleyado, pagod na tayo maging sunod-sunuran sa mga boss natin, pagod na tayo magtrabaho 9 hours a day. So, if we can, then take advantage of what we are offering. No, hindi naman to everyday na dadating sa sitwasyon mo or everyday na maharap sa na sitwasyon or offer, right? So whilst we have here, please do take advantage of it. So i-share ko lang po yung aking screen. And yeah, here we go. Ito yung ating community now. So if you can see yung ating mga payouts. Guys, ito yung mga nakukuha na ng ating mga networks. For the payouts, here, we have just started last 4th of August, just to let you know. And a lot of people are already enjoying the rewards that they are reaping from their investments. So, every day to guys, every day. Hindi tayo makakapulot ng ganito. Hindi mapupulot yan. Malaking bagay na yung mga amounts na yan. Diba? For someone who has deposited like what? 100, 200, or less than 500, it's already big. Malaking bagay na po ito kasi magkano na ba ang per day ngayon ng hilihin? 600 ba or 700? So, makikita nyo yan guys, na andito ang Orbion para sa inyo. Para naman magkaroon kayo ng other source of income, hindi tayo aas sahod na. We can't put everything in one basket. Kaya nga, gusto mong lumabo ang iyong cash flow, you have to find ways on how to improve your daily lives. It all starts with each and every one of you. Okay? Lahat yan nasa inyo. Kasi we only have one life. And what's the main purpose of being here, alive in this world? It's for us to be able to maximize it and to live our lives to the fullest, right? So, ano ba yung gusto natin? Stop ko lang share screen ko, diba? Ano ba yung gusto natin ma-achieve sa buhay natin? We want to provide for our kids. We want to help our parents. We want to help other people as well. Sino pa yung naghihirap at naglarang at kailangan ng tulong. We want to experience the financial freedom. Yung hindi mo na iisipin yung pang-araw-araw yung pang-araw-araw ng buhay. So, that's what we're aiming for here in Orbio. And like I've said, hindi mo yan makukuha sa pa 100. Kaya tinaas namin to 500, guys. Okay? Intindihin niyo po na that's the reason why we have increased the minimum deposit. It's for your benefit. And in the long run, intindihan niyo po kung bakit po sinasabi ito sa inyo. My Binance wallet shows a lot and shows everything. No? Hindi man ako nagde-deposit ng 500, pero nakikita niya yung rewards na nakukuha ko. It's because I have the right mindset. And kung meron kang spare, try to invest it here. And please, mag-invite na kayo ng mga friends and family nyo na who would want to, na gusto nyo namang mag-experience din ng gaan sa buhay. Kasi ang hirap po talaga. Alam nyo, ngayon, kahit na graduate ka na, kahit na with honors ka pang graduate, ang hirap humanap ng trabaho sa Pilipinas. Kailangan ng experience, kailangan ng maraming documents, kailangan ng ganito, ng ganyan, tama? So, kailangan natin mag-isip ng paraan kung paano tayo kikita, kung paano tayo makakaipon, paano tayo giginhawa, maangat ang buhay natin. So here in Oregon, kahit unti-unti, kahit mga gusto namin yung mabago po sa buhay ko. Gusto namin maging parte ng pagbabago na yun. That's why we are here. Yes, for ourselves, ako personally, okay na, settled na and everything. But again, we wouldn't stop from there. Diba? Ang buhay maiksi lang. Plus the fact na ang bilis maubos ng pera. Taas ng presyo ng mga bilihin. No? So if you have a lifestyle na medyo mataas sa kayan, magiging cost na pagbagsak ng buhay nyo. Kaya, guys, please, we are offering this to our members to take advantage and to make sure na lahat po kayo ay aangat kasama ng Orbion. Yes, we have just recently started, but then again, Orbion is here for you until the very last day or very last time that you would want us in your lives because we want a long-term partnership with you guys. Hindi tayo matatapos dito. Kaya, nag-iisip kami ng other ways kung saan po namin kayo madadala apart from this type of investment. Nag-iisip pa kami ng ibang paraan paano kayo matutulungan. So, ayun po. Iisip ako na hindi ko pa na-address. Yung sa claim rewards, again, we are still getting a lot of questions in terms of the claim reward. Hindi nagiging available after 24 hours. I-reiterate ko lang po ulit, sabihin ko lang po sa inyo ulit. There are certain cases na after 24 hours, hindi pa siya nagiging available. It's because your sniping bots are still detecting possible tokens to be sniped. That's for your own benefit. Kaya medyo natatagal ng konti, but then again, it will be available in the next few hours or so. So, please just try to be patient kasi hindi po namin control yung sniping bot pagdating sa ganun. Kasi once na-detect yung nagkakaroon ulit ng possible na mai-snipe na token, tinitake advantage niya. Ganun ko siya mag-trabaho eh. Like I said, it scans the blockchain 24/7. Hindi po siya nagpapahinga. So, as much as possible, once na nakaka-detect siya, and that's for your own benefit, para kumita ka pa ng kumita, ganun yung nangyayari. Okay? I'm sorry, mahina po ba? Mahina po ba yung audio ko sa inyo? Let me just try to adjust the volume. Okay lang. Ma'am, try to increase your volume on your side. Baka lang po mahina sa inyo yung audio. Okay? So, ayun po. Just trying to think of things na yun. Garal-gal po. Garal-gal po ba yung dating ko sa inyo? Sorry. How's my audio? Clear po ba? May problema? Kasi gusto ko po sana maging okay. Okay na. For those who are experiencing problems with your audios, baka po sa side nyo, yung problema, baka internal nyo po, kaya magkakaroon ng interaction. Kasi clear naman po sa iba. Opo, baka po sa internet nila. So, yun po. Anyway, we have recordings naman po for our webinars, like I've said. So, if you want to replay it, you can always replay our webinars. Nag-iisip pa po ako ng mga sa inyo. Alam nyo, every other day, I'm trying to think of ways on how I can talk to you guys kasi hindi naman natin pinrap sa lesson, right? But I want to have a heart-to-heart talk to each and every one of you because I want to know where you're coming from. Gusto ko rin maintindihan kung bakit kayo nandito. Why do you trust Orbion? Ano po ba ang rason? Yung bumili na ng bot. Okay. So, may mga sumasagot po sa inyo na admin sa nag-a-assist sa atin para kumita. Thank you, Ma'am Janice. And that's our main goal. Yun po yung reason why we are here. Like I've said, Yes, we are business. Yes, we are earning. But then again, we want to give back to the community. Me, myself, that is my main. Nakita niyo na po yung Binance wallet ko. Hindi po ako nagsasave sa bangka. Nandiyan lang po siya kasi ginagamit ko din siya for other purposes like business. Pinambabayad ko. Kasi wala din siya direct pagbayad. Wala na siya pang purchase. I don't believe in transactions sa bangko. Kasi nga, mas trusted ko yung Binance. If I can choose to share. But again, kanya-kanya po tayo. No? We have our own differences. But madali po para sa akin kasi access yung Binance kasi direction to and everything. That's for me. So, ayun. This is, wala pong halong, sige po, paano ko po ba sasabihin na I am so grateful with all the truths that you are giving to Orbeon. I know marami na po sa inyo ang mga-experience na hindi maganda before and hindi ko po pwedeng i-represent ang ibang company. Hindi ko rin hindi po ako pwede magsalita on behalf of other people, other companies, or what experiences na-experience nyo before sa iba. But we want you to have the right mindset at hindi naman po lahat pare-pareho. No? Pero hindi naman po sa isang basket po lahat na prutas. Hindi po lahat pare-pareho no? Sitwasyon, pag-iisip ng goals sa buhay. That's why we are trying to make each and every one of them comfortable, fit. Karamdam ng kampate na, like I've said, we want a long-term relationship. And this is only possible if kayo po mismo magka-trust sa amin. Kayo mismo magtutiwala sa amin. Kayo mismo ang mag-encourage ng other yung ibang tao na mag-join sa atin kasi the more na lalaki tayo, the more na lalaki yung ating capital pool, the more na makakapag-explore tayo ng other business opportunities, the more na makakasama ko kayo sa ibang business opportunities na binabanggit ko sa inyo. Diba po? So, kung gano'n kayong klaseng tao, may right attitude, right mindset, katulad ko, then magkakaroon po tayo ng partnership. Diba po? So, I'm trying to read some of the messages here para ma-address nila. Okay, we have a question here about the math. Thank you for raising that, Ma'am Julie or Sir Julie. As you know, here in the Philippines, we don't have a specific regulated law as far as cryptocurrencies and tradings are concerned. We are trying to comply as much as we can as far as legalities are concerned. But then again, there are certain companies kasi naka-experience wrong in terms of legalities kasi wala nga tayo specific na bakas na napapatupad pagdating sa ganyan. Alam niyo sa totoo lang, pera-pera. Pera-pera pa rin talaga sa Pilipinas. No? Pera-pera. So, if in any case that they would be requiring us to do further legalities and private legalities want us to comply to, we are more than happy and 100% to submit ourselves for the legalities. Okay? Pero gaya nga ng sinabi ko, wala naman po kasi tayo regulated law here in the Philippines about it. Okay? Sa akong kalat, yes. Totoo po to ha. Alam niyo naman na maraming nakaka-experience din. I've been at the loans where hindi kaya ng isang katawan kung kaya ng 10 katawan na magtrabaho baka sakali pumasya ang sa akin. Kano na hindi pala tubig, pagkain, unang bumahan pa kayo sa bahay, upas sa bahay, pamasahe mo araw-araw, pamasahe mo lahat, gatas, diaper. So, sa tingin nyo, kakasya yung minimum wage? Pushing mo. No? So, how long do you plan to continue the platform for? Like I've said po, for as long as you want us to be part of your lives, for as long as kailangan nyo ang Orbeon, we are here. And we are currently developing our system now. We are still in the process of developing it to make it more easier for you to access. Okay? And we are conducting meetings every now and then with our security people who takes good care of our system, no? From hacks and such. Um, we are continuously doing meetings with my partner who's based in Dubai on how we can explore other opportunities as far as investments are concerned. So please stay with us. For as long as we're here, please be part of the growth of Oreo because we wouldn't stop here. Kahit hindi nandito lang tayo. Kasi gusto ko aangat pa tayo. Gusto ko na mas malaki pa yung makukuha nyo bukod sa mga ino-offer namin ngayon. Kasi gusto ko i-change yung mindset ng mga tao na naka-experience na ng panloloko before. Gusto ko na isipin nyo na, ay iba si Orton. Iba siya from others, sinalihan ko before. Gusto ko karoon ng ganong tatak. And, ganong legacy na siguro. Sabihin na natin legacy kasi the ones na maalala niyo si Orbeon, ito lang kaisa-isang company na totoong tumulong sa akin. Ito lang yung totoo owner na nagkaroon ng puso na tumulong sa akin. Ganyan. Okay ba? Is there a way, anyway, that minimum investment will be lowered to 200 ma'am? It's hard to invite if it's big like 500 since most of us have experienced scams. I understand po. Sorry, Ma'am Eve po ba? Sorry if tama before pronunciation ko. I understand your sentiments. Like I've said, mabigat po talaga magbitaw ng pera nowadays. Yung 500 po, tinisay namin ngayon, hindi po para sa amin, no? Hindi po yun para kumita kami ng malaki. Kaya nga po yung sinabi ko at pinakita ko kanina, nakita niyo yung difference ng 10,000 deposit sa 100, yung kinita ka. Kasi we wanted to experience the best of everyone. One day. We want you to gain as much as you can in one day. 24 hours. Within 24 hours, gusto namin makuha din as much as you get. So why settle for something na napakaliit when you can get as much as this amount? Yun po yung purpose nun. Sipin niyo na lang po na ako ay isang straight bank issue. Gusto ko lang po kayong matulog. It's just the same concept. Sipin niyo lang po. Kaya ako, payag na kasi gusto ko gumaling ka sa bagay ka. It's just the same thing. Gusto ko na kapag ka nag-invest ka, malaki na agad yung mga kuko. We don't want you to settle for mababa. Diba? Kung pwede mo namang makuha ng malaki, bakit ka magsasettle sa mababa? Alam ko kung mahirap. And I understand where you're not from. It's just that it's not for me. Para sa akin ginagawa. Para po ito sa kasi naka-experience po kami ng mga questions na baba naman ang kinita ko. Bakit ito lang makikin niya? Kasi po 100 lang po yung deposit ko. Diba? Yes po, Sir Lucas. Every day you can see it on your on our system, on your what do you call this? On your dashboard, sorry. Oo, yun nga, tama pa. Thank you for pointing that out, Sir Fidel. Kasi yung minimum din natin na withdrawal is 500. Anong sense na nag-deposit ka ng 100, hindi mo din mawi-withdraw. Hintayin mo ba siyang maipon? Kailan pa yun? Hintayin mo siya hanggang kailan? Para what? I-withdraw ko lang din. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo the longer that you stay, that you have your investment in our system, the longer and the better the chance and the rewards that you will be getting. No? I'm not sure if you have already explored this part of it. Let me just go to that page and I'll be sure you. Okay. Kasi naiintindihan nyo kung bakit po ganun ang sinasabi namin. Kasi a lot of people would tell us, ako tinaas, bakit po ganito, bakit parang so basta type nyo lang yung questions, no? Sa inyo ang sinusunod. Na rewards. Okay. Alright, let me just share my screen once again. Para naman po, you have an idea. Kasi I'm not sure if you are able to explore this already. Pero dun sa mga nakausap ko na before sa webinar, I'm sure nakita niyo na 'to. Guys, here it is. This is what I'm talking about. You can see yung rewards program natin. Like I've said, 2% daily, right? 200 pesos a day for 10,000. Saan pa kayo makakakita ng ganyan? Sa bangko kikitain niyo yung isang tao. Now, this is me being honest ha. This is no joke. 3% yata for fixed income or yung tawag na parang time deposit. Sobrang baba guys sa ino-offer ng bangko. Hindi ko rin gets bakit ganyan. But then again, it's their business and we don't want to meddle with them. But hindi niya deserve yung mga ganong bagay. Kaya nandito ang Orbion because we want you to get what you deserve. Okay? So here, sabi ko sa inyo, 2% per day. And then I'm on my 8th day. Kaya ito na yung aking total profit. No, after 24 hours, of course, patadagdag naman siya 200. Come the 30th day, what will I get? Additional 1,000 on top of what my won't have earned for the past few days. May bonus tayo for 30 days. So, imagine guys, apart from what you're earning already, if you reached additional 30 days, ito pa, isa ha, after 30 days, you're on the day 31. Ano nangyari? Naging 2.5% na yung ating base. So, naging 250 per day na ako. Lumalaki pa ulit. And come the 60th day, of course, may reward ka ulit. Ulit pwede sa Orbion na nag-stay lang pera mo, tapos wala kang additional reward. As much as we can, we want to experience the best of everything. So, day 60. Additional 20%. 2,000. Okay? So, nagiging compounded siya, guys. Each time you would want your bot to work for you. Come day 90, 40% on top, 4,000. Okay? And then yan, tumataas yung base pay natin, nagdadagdagan per day. Guys, para kang sumasahod. Sumasahod nang wala kang ginagawa. Bayaan mo lang siya dyan. Bayaan mo yung bot na magtrabaho para sa'yo. Diba? Pahinga mo yung katawa-kupa mo, pabayaan mo yung bot na magtrabaho para sa'yo. So ito, day 120, 60%. 60% holds 6,000. So if you're asking me if we are up for long-term relationship, yes, we are. That's why we have designed our system like this. Diba? Every time na tumatagal kayo, every time na tumatagal ang pera niyo sa amin, lalong lumalaki ang nakukuha niyo. So anong ibig sabihin? Gusto namin, kung ito lang kayo, gusto namin mag-stay kayo with us. Gusto namin partners tayo forever. Yan yung concept na gusto namin ipaintindi sa inyo. Na kung iniisip nyo na mawawala kami bigla, kasi ganyan yung na-experience nyo before. Like I've said, we want you to change your mindset. Gusto namin baguhin yung pag-iisip nyo na ganyan. Na may mga na-experience kayo hindi maganda before. Please, ilayo nyo na yan sa utak at isipan nyo. We are on a clean slate now. Bago, kumbaga sa papel, walang kasulat-sulat. Diba? Bago. Kung ano man yung bad experiences nyo before, charge to experience. Let it be a learning situation. Diba? And try to get something out of it. Diba? Yun lang yung purpose nun. Kasi, sabi nga nila, hindi tayo matututo kung ulit-ulit lang. But then again, you have to have an open mind. Para naman pag dumating yung tamang opportunity para sa inyo, magagrab nyo. Hindi yung forever ka nilang na-stuck dyan. Kasi ganun na yung mindset ko. Tingin mo sa lahat ng tao. Tingin mo sa lahat ng may magagandang in-offer sa'yo. Lolokohin lang din ako niyan pagdating ng panahon. Ano mangyayari sa'yo? O, diyan ka na lang. Hindi ka naaangat. Hindi na magbabago yung buhay. Because of your mindset. And you always think negative. Diba? Change what you think. Power of the mind. is very powerful. What you feed yourself, ano yung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, yun yung mangyayari. Kung ano yung pinipili mo sa utak mo, yun yung mangyayari. That's why leave everything behind. My experiences before, leave it there. Okay? We don't want you to carry those baggages here with Orbit. We understand your sentiments, but then again, um, like I've said, charge to experience. Give chance to other people or to other companies na who are willing to lend a hand para tulungan ka. Okay? So, yun lang po yung akin. So, kasi, di ba kag-design ba kami ng system na ganito? Gusto namin nakawala agad sa paningin nyo, sa buhay nito. Di ba? Gugustuhin ba namin na kumita kayo ng ganito kalaki ng pagkatagal-tagal pa panahon na pagsasama natin? Gusto namin mawala agad. Of course not. So let me just stop sharing my screen. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions that you would want us to discuss? Para po, alam niyo yun, free flow ang ating conversation. Masaya na. Yeah. Yeah. So, talaga, hindi ko lang natin tatagal ba talaga? Grabe naman po yung 6 days mawawala agad. Grabe. Sending mong pag-ibig po ba yun? Okay, ma'am, can you address 2,000 number 24? Yes po. Basahin ko na po yung mga ibang tindahan. Study the possibility of multiple level commission up to 10 level. That was part of, for yes, Sir Peter, we're open to suggestions. Like I've said, thank you for suggesting it. Magandang bagay kasi sa nagkaka-chat tayo, no? Thank you for suggesting those things. We're open. We're looking into the possibility of having that one. But I'll discuss it further to you kapag nakapag-meeting na din po kami about it. Okay? Kung kaya naman po namin ibigay, why not? Of course. No, gusto namin yung yung lahat kayo magbe-benefit dito. Okay. Sige po, sir. Pangako po yan. Ma'am, do you have a plan? Natanong na din po to yung Sir Fidel sa akin, no? Sir Alvin. Yes, we're in the process of application. We are constant communication with our IT regarding this para mas mapadali po yung pag-agree. So, though hindi naman po mahirap pag-locking, right? Para as much as I can remember, wala time out yung sa ating website. Pag nag-locking kayo, hindi na siya na time out or kung meron man, sobrang tagal bago siya mag-require ng locking. Right? But of course, it will be easier for you guys. I've heard your sentiments and your suggestions, okay, and I've noted it down. We are already in the process of discussing it further as far as the application of your is concerned. Of course, gusto po namin kasi na ma-establish yung fact na maraming tayong members. There are already 200 plus as far as members are concerned. And we are still growing. Well, gusto namin, may certain number of people coming in bago namin we continue to develop yung app. Siyempre, kung kami, gusto nyo na mag-stay ka na matagal sa buhay nyo, kami din, ganun, no? Baka naman kasi kayo din, bigla din kayong mawala, bigla nyo rin kami himag sa ere kapag pumita na kayo. So, ganun lang din po yung konsepto natin, no? Baka mamaya pag nag-develop na kami ng application, bigla na kayong mawala. Di ba? Thank you po, Sir Fidel. Ma'am, hindi po ba hindi? Sa mga gusto kong i-address, no, guys, hindi po kailangan blame daily ang inyong profit. Hayaan nyo lang po siya mag-stay dyan. Kung kailan nyo po siya gustong i-claim, it's up to you. But we are encouraging you guys to leave it as it is because like I've said, consistency is the key. Consistent ka na nandyan lang siya, lalong tataas yung rewards nyo o yung makukuha nyo out of your investments. Okay? Thank you, Ma'am Jan. Yes, thank you. Yes, I'm trying to be very good ex-wife ko. Sige po, sir. Yes, baka po sakali na magkaroon ng na reconnection, di ba? Okay. So, Let me just yeah, baka daw magkabalikan kayo, sir, sabi comment. Let me just try to open my Binance once again before we end our webinar. Let me just check my balance. May nagtatanong din po kasi kung pwede bang iwan lang yung pera nyo dyan, tapos hindi ba daw mag-idle si bot, hindi pa daw siya ah, mawawala. Hindi po siya mawawala, dyan lang po siya. Kahit iwayo po siya ng isang taon dyan, andyan lang po siya patuloy na ikita at lalo mag-grow kasi kung inuwag siya ng isang dyan, di mo ginagalaw at di mo siya kiniklaim, of course, lumalaki na lumalaki, right? So, let me just check. Pasensya na po, medyo mabagal lang ang aking system. Kung meron pa kayong questions, type niyo lang po dyan. Alright. Okay. Alright. And so, as of this time, ito na po siya, yung aking Binance. So, nag-grow and nag-earn pa rin siya. Siyempre, hayaan ko lang sa sniping bot dyan na mag-work para sa akin kasi we're busy. We are doing a lot of stocks and yung webinar natin, lagi po namin sinisikip para po sa ating mga members. Para naman po nakakausap po kayo and if you have any questions or anything that you would like to raise, na-address po natin for that. Okay. So, sign ko lang po yung iba. May isa. Nag-deposit po ba kayo ng 100, Ma'am Eve? Sorry. Kung nag-deposit po kayo ng 100, siguro yung mga unang beses po, okay lang po yun, wala pong problema, ina-approve pa din po namin siya. So, ito po, isa ko pang gustong sabihin sa inyo, in case po na yung reward nyo, umakyat nyo ng 100, pwede nyo po siyang i-invest ulit or i-buy ng bot. Kahit hindi pa po siya 500, basta yung reward nyo, umakyat na ng 100, pwede nyo po siyang i-buy ng bot ulit. Siyempre, sayang additional income yan kesa ilabas nyo po. I-ano niyo na lang, i-buy niyo lang siya ng bot para dumadami po siya do'n, 'no? Yun po isa pa sa mga tricks. Okay. No, no, not 100, 500 na po, thank you, Ma'am Janice. Sure, sure po, Sir Joey. Wait lang po. Can you unmute? Wait po. Wait po, Naka-unmute na po kayo, Sir Joey? Para ipag-support ko po sa order. Pwede po ba i-post ang referral dun sa Sir Andy, you can ayaw po ma-unmute. Naku, nagkakaroon po siguro tayo ng technical difficulties. Not sure why, pero inaalaw na po namin yung unmute ko. Pwede i-type niyo na lang po, Sir Joe, yung question niyo. Lock-in. Wala po tayong lock-in, Ma'am Darlene. Wala po tayong lock-in. Pwede po siya i-withdraw anytime. But like I've said, we are encouraging each and every one of you to, if you can, to leave in sniping bots para po kung kita holiday, no? Yeah? Orbion is using sniping bots po. It's different concept po from scalpers, sir or Ma'am Sir. No? Ano kasi, scalping kasi, yung trading style niya kasi nakafocus lang sa, pag-earn ng small profits and with price changes. But then again, with sniping bots, it varies po kasi. So once na nagkaroon ng liquidity, yung specific token na kaka-introduce pa lang sa blockchain, ini-snipe na po niya. So that's the difference, okay? So, try ko lang po ayusin yung ating Zoom para po ma-unmute ka lang. Not sure why, pero Sir Joey, can you try typing your question? I'm sorry about this. Ah, gusto mo lang pag ma-unmute. Admins, please help me with the questions na hindi ko nakikita. Kasi tuloy-tuloy nag-up. Okay? So, ayun po. Nasagot ko na po yata to kanina. Yung with regard to sorry, legalities. Now, we don't have a specific regulated law as far as crypto trading is concerned here in the Philippines. So we are trying as much as possible to avoid the red tapes yung mga, padulas-padulas as of the moment. But then again, like I've said, if we will be obliged to do so, we are more than happy to override to those legalities, okay? I'm just fixing this one. May mga sumasagot po sa inyo ng mga admins, so feel free to type in your questions. Sorry kung hindi po kayo ma-unmute. Magkakaroon po tayo ng problema sa ating Zoom meeting as of this time. Hindi ko po alam bakit kasi we allowed it already. But I'm sorry, if you have any further questions or anything that you would like to raise that you haven't been able to discuss further in your webinar, feel free po uh, to type it into the GC that we have, as well as the community. Everyone is welcome, and we will answer everything for you. Okay? I'm so sorry. If you are experiencing technical difficulties, hindi ko po kayo makausap as of the moment. And hindi po kayo ma-unmute. Yan lang. Sige po, Sir Fidel. Thank you for suggesting. Actually, Sir Fidel, marami na sasuggest sa akin to. I will be doing that, okay? So I will be complying with that, and I will be letting you know once we have that, okay? And we wouldn't want to take much of your time as of the moment, mga moms and sirs. We're already an hour, and I have a meeting in 7:30. So I'm so sorry if I have to leave as early as now. Again, other questions are all um, welcome in our GC. We will be more than happy to address each and every one of them. Okay? Again, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyo lahat sa time, pakikinig sa mga kwento ko. I hope nakakapag po kayo ng something first. I hope may na-share ako sa inyo na something nakapakita-kinabang sa inyo. And I want you guys to know now we are sincerely here for you, and we would want you to have a better life. Di man ngayon, hindi man sa susunod na araw, but in the near future. Okay? Okay? So, ayun po ang aming goal as you being part of our beyond, as you being part of our family, because we treat everyone here as part of our little family. Okay? Little pero 200 na po tayo, and we are still growing. So please, if you can invite more friends and family, relatives, should everyone that involved, alam nyo na makikinabang here in October. So, okay? And again, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for joining me. And we will have another scheduled webinar, which will be announced in the GC. And may recording ko. So if you want to review, pwede po ulit. Okay? Thank you so much. Yes, nationwide. And if possible, we want to be global. That's why we have chosen the word Orbion, because orb itself represents the world, right? We want to be global. So, depende yan kung mapapalaki natin ang order ng tayo-tayo muna. Then afterward, kapag nakapag-invite na tayo ng mas marami, of course, we want them to global. Okay? So again, thank you and all have a good night. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.